Welcome to the coastal city of Qingdao.
Qingdao is not only a great place for sightseeing, but also a pioneer of regional cooperation. This time, I was joined by members from the Global Young Leaders Dialogue. Together, we toured around the city and visited places including Qingdao Port, SCO Demonstration Zone, Beer Museum, and more, offering you a glimpse of China's openness through one city.
This is Eyes On with Aiping in Qingdao. This is our destination today, the Qingdao Port. It's also my first time visiting port. Qingdao has the world's fourth largest port and Asia's first fully automated container terminal.
In 2021, the cargo throughput of Qingdao Port reached 630 million tons, up 4.3% year-on-year. Its container throughput reached 23.71 million 20-foot equivalent units, up 7.8% year-on-year.
Today we're here at the Qingdao Port.
Yes.
Let's show people around.
Yeah.
Let's move it a little bit.
Wow.
There's so many huge ships.
Yeah. So many ships. Almost 50 ships are here, and they work so well. Their information, their innovation and technology is so amazing, and China is doing great work. I'm so impressed by the Chinese technology. Whatever they are working over here, their labors are so perfect, so efficient, and I just love it.
我们承接了世界上前10大船公司吧，应该说它的所有航班的一个作业，同时也是以高效的装卸效率来著称。青岛港作为“一带一路”的一个双节点城市，而且位于我们 RCEP 这个贸易协定的一个最前端的桥头堡啊，我们是面向日韩岸最近的港口。整个的山东港、青岛港对于我们世界贸易的这种往来起到了非常大的一个衔接作用。
Qingdao Port has more than 200 container lines covering more than 700 ports in more than 180 countries and regions around the world. And a modern rail network also connects Qingdao Port with the rest of the world, including countries from the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and along the Belt and Road.
Qingdao City was the host for the 2018 Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, and the city has become an ambassador of the Shanghai spirit, which promotes mutual trust and benefit and win-win cooperation. The 18th meeting of the Council of Heads of Member States of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization was held here.
Located on the north coast of Jiaozhou Bay in Qingdao, Skoda aims for expanded cooperation in international logistics, modern trade, bilateral investment, commerce, tourism, cultural exchanges, and marine development between China and other SCO member states and countries along the Belt and Road. In the first half of 2022, Skoda handled 430 outbound and inbound China-Europe freight trains, up 44.8% year-on-year.
上海示范区经过几年的发展，我感觉应该是全面启示，全面推进，全面开展了一系列的工作。现在来讲，我们与上合组织国家的经贸就是贸易额，这几年虽然在疫情的情况下，还是保持着50%左右的发展。因为说确实是些上合组织国家和中国的合作，潜力巨大。我们相信啊，随着疫情的克服之后，上合组织国家经贸合作会越来越好，啊，会取得更大的成就。
The city also attracts people with its charming lifestyle.
Qingdao, it's also known as China's capital of beer. And people here are all about three things: drinking beer, eating seafood, and swimming in the sea. This is a very famous place for sightseeing and for taking photos here in Qingdao, and I'm also gonna join them and take a selfie myself.
但是你看我们周边全是绿化，这个绿化做的是非常好。
对。
这就是其实我就觉得是换一个角度说，合适区发展的一个非常好的案例，人和大自然和平在一起，这些很多东西是我觉得我们可以在他们这里可以学的。
Qingdao has a long history of opening up to the outside. And as I've talked to some of the international friends from the Global Young Leaders Dialogue over the past 2 days, well, they all seem surprised by, well, of course, the beer and the seafood, but more by the city's unique culture, its vitality, its openness, and its cooperation with the rest of the world. And remember, Qingdao is just an epitome of many coastal cities in China, which seeks to wider opening up and keeps contributing to global development.